Pool maintenance is messy, time-consuming, and let's be honest, not something anyone looks forward to. But what if you could reclaim those hours spent scrubbing and scooping and enjoy crystal clear water without lifting a finger? That's where real underwater cleaning comes in. It's not just about collecting debris, it's about combining powerful suction, smart features, and long battery life to deliver a deep, consistent clean. Meet the iGarden Pool Cleaner K20, a high-performance cordless robot that completely redefines pool care, designed to keep your water sparkling clear with zero effort from you. Be sure to check the product link in the description below. This isn't just a pool cleaner, it's a part of a cleaner lifestyle. With intelligent automation and sleek design, the K20 helps you spend less time on maintenance and more time enjoying your pool. Hosting a summer gathering, waking up to a clean pool every morning, the K20 makes it all effortless. As it moves, the robot stirs up debris while cleaning. So a quick once-over isn't enough. That's why extended battery is key. The K20 can run for up to 2 hours, with additional options of 4, 6, or even 8 hours depending on the K-series model. That's more than enough to clean even large or heavily used pools without stopping to recharge. And because it's fully cordless, there's no tangling, no plugging in, and no cable management. Just drop it in and let it go. Its long-lasting performance comes from iGarden's AI inverter technology, which optimizes suction based on what the robot encounters, conserving energy on flat surfaces and ramping up for walls and water lines. Everything about the design is built for efficiency, from the wide intake that allows smooth water flow to the large inverted trapezoid filter that catches more debris with less clogging. A rear jet nozzle improves thrust, while a compact waterproof brushless motor keeps it lightweight without sacrificing power. What truly sets it apart is its smart AI timer mode. Set a custom cleaning cycle, 1, 1.5, 2, or max hours, and choose a start delay of 24, 48, or 72 hours. The K20 then enters ultra-low power standby and starts cleaning automatically, whether you're home or away. Functionality meets form with a sleek, race car-inspired look and an intuitive touchscreen interface. The K20 doesn't just clean well, it looks good doing it. When it comes to actual performance, the K20 offers 2 main modes, button-only or full coverage for floor, walls, and waterline. It climbs steadily, grips securely, and its powerful suction doesn't fade over time, leaving no corner untouched. And with a 3-year warranty on all electronic components, plus direct replacement for defects, it's built for the long haul. You also get smart extras like a 4-liter debris box that handles big jobs without constant emptying, and turbo cleaning mode for post-storm messes or pool parties. Just one tap and kick it into high gear to collect leaves, dirt, and even small gravel. The K20's 3DS path mapping ensures every inch of your pool gets covered efficiently, intelligently, and without retracing steps. Customers have responded very positively to the iGarden K series, giving it an impressive 4.7 out of 5 stars, many highlighting its long-lasting battery life, noting it can easily complete full cleaning cycles, or even multiple sessions on a single charge. The cleaner's performance receives frequent praise for its ability to tackle pool floors, walls, and water lines with ease. Features like turbo mode and the smart S-Path navigation stand out for effectively managing heavier debris, while the spacious 4-liter debris basket is appreciated for reducing the need to empty it mid-cycle. Some customers do mention a few drawbacks, such as the unit's weight, which can make it difficult to lift out of the pool, and a retrieval system that could be sturdier. Others point to a slight learning curve when setting timers or navigating the app, and a handful note occasional missed spots in corners or on curved surfaces. Still, most agree that the K-series delivers reliable, hands-free cleaning and adds meaningful convenience to pool maintenance. At its core, the iGarden Pool Cleaner K20 is about more than just automation. It's about making pool ownership feel effortless. With powerful suction, advanced scheduling, and intelligent design, it gives you clean water day in and day out without hassle. If you're ready to stop skimming and start enjoying, the iGarden Pool Cleaner K20 is ready for you.